Like, subscribe, and get notified.
2 वर्सां जालीं आतां तेणी स्टार्ट केलां म्हणटा काम आनी असलीं कामां चलता पळय तेन्ना म्हाका स्वता डावट पडटा कितें इलिगॅलिटी कितें चलता थिंगा कितें एफएसाचे प्रॉब्लम आहा कितें कितें कन्वर्शनाचे प्रॉब्लम आहा ताका लागून ते डिले करतात कित्याक मोस्ट पीपल वील नॉट गो ऑन दॅट रोड एनीमोर सो अनफॉर्च्युनेटली एंड इट्स अ रियलिटी people have lost complete faith in governance, in government, in ministers. There's curses all around. So corruption is at its maximum. It's a hopeless situation. I mean, a lot of people think India is moving, India is flying. Of course, India is flying. India has got the energy to be a world beater. But as long as this type of situation continues, it's a no-go. And I totally agree. Despite the fact that High Court judges have gone there and given a deadline of 31st May, it is hardly possible. Let's hope for a miracle. Now another 8, 10, 12 days are left. I doubt it because last 2 years they've been doing that Apollo Mall situation. What is the reason? I really wouldn't know. Are they taking a revenge on some business people in that area whom they don't like and they want their business to collapse? Or as I said, is it illegality or a construction, scam? I really would not know. So expecting that to happen in the next 10 days, no. And talking of smart city, I said it yesterday on another television program that a simple thing, just to give you an example, a simple thing like fire hydrants. If there's a fire, any international city will have a fire hydrant in every corner of the street. Where are the fire hydrants and where have the fire hydrants been put now that the smart city thing has come out? So, this smart city is a complete eyewash and it all depends finally on the people like you and me, which we have to really react to this situation and say no is no, we are not going to accept this, and no is no should come in the ballot box. And unfortunately, when it comes to the ballot box, we are still voting the same rogues again. So where is the answer? I really would not know. Let's hope for the best. Let's pray also. We have to have a little bit faith in prayer that God will show us the correct path and allow us to get rid of these rogues that are ruling us today.
कारण जे स्मार्ट सिटीचे जे काम चालू असले तेन्नाच्यान काँग्रेस पार्टीन आंदोलनां केली, प्रेस कॉन्फरन्सां घेतली, सायटीर गेले, कितले लोक मेले थंयसर, लोकांचे लुकसाण जालें, लोकांच्या गाडयांचें लुकसाण जालें, पण तरी पासतना हे जाग्यार लागून आसले. शेवटी हायकोर्टाक आपूण स्वता येवन इन्स्पेक्शन करचें पडलें. हितूंतली असली म्हाका दिसता लज केन्ना जावना. आणि स्मार्ट सिटीचे तुमकां दिसता की 10 दिसांच्या 11 दिसां भितर हें काम काबार जातलें काय कितें, हितून कितें जादूची छडी येतली, मॅजीक कितें करतले काय, हांच्या कडेन कोण मॅजिशियन आहा काय कितें करपाचें, फोटींग उलोवपाचें मॅजिशियन हेंच्या कडेन खूब आहा गव्हर्मेंटा कडेन, हेच्या फुडें कितें जातलें काय कितें म्हाका दिसना. आनी पणजेच्या लोकांनी आनी आजूबाजूच्या लोकांनी जी गरज आसा, कारण ह्या जसो पावस पडटलो पळय, स्मार्ट सिटी एका दिसान बुडटली भितून. आनी बाबडे लोक जे धंदे करतात तेंची हालत जातली, जे कोण कामाक येतात आउट स्टेशनाचेर तेंचे लोकांचे हे जातले. सो सरकारान हेचेर म्हाका दिसता यंत्रणा बसोवपाची गरज आसा. आनी फुडें तुमी स्मार्ट सिटीचें काम एक कंप्लीट काय जावचें ना, तरी आसतना म्हाका गव्हर्मेंटाक रिक्वेस्ट आहा की बाकीचे जे प्रिकॉशन आहा तेची तरी वेवस्था तेंच्यांनी करची म्हणून पावसाच्या टायमार.
Watch on Herald TV.